welcome to an algebra video tutorial working our way through linear graphs and linear patterns. In this particular video, we're going to learn how having a slope-intercept form equation like what we have here, I can find any single value I want to for either x or y as the equation gives me the relationship between x and y. So let's talk about what I'm getting into here. What if I wanted to find in that equation, if x equals 39, can I figure out what y has to be? Well, I can do that because it says y is equal to whatever 9.5 times x is plus 22. So let's take that 39, let's put it in for x and calculate y. So I got y equals 9.5 times 39 plus 22. All right, well, let's do the math there. So 9.5 times 39 is going to be 370.5. Then I still have the 22 at the end to add. So it looks like we get y is equal to 392.5. All right, awesome. So we just found a specific point, and all we knew was part of it. So if x is 39, the ordered pair, the y value that goes with it, is 392.5. All right, what if I mix it up? What if, in this case, what if I now know a y value, let's say negative 86. What if I have a y value of negative 86? Can we find the x value that goes with it? Well, I'm going to do the same sort of thing, only instead of substituting the value in for x, I'm going to substitute it in for y. So here we go. We got negative 86 is equal to 9.5 times some x value plus 22. And now my goal is to draw the line here, and it's just an equation to solve for x. So first step, I'm going to subtract 22 from both sides. Let's clear that out. I want to get x by itself. I've got 9.5 times x now over there. On the left side, we've got negative 108. Okay, now let's get x by itself by dividing both sides by 9.5. 9.5 divides out to leave x is equal to, oh, when I crunch this thing out, it is not pretty. So I'm going to round it. I'm going to do, it's approximately equal. When we do little squiggly lines, that means approximately equal 11.368. All right, and we could go back and we could tweak some things if we wanted to get the exact fraction. I could multiply both sides by 2. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's have some fun here. So if I go to this equation, if I multiply both sides by 2, we can get negative 216 equals 19 times x. Now let me divide both sides by 19. So we've got x equals negative 216 divided by 19. I'm going to turn that in. Let's see, how many times does 19 go into 216? It goes in 11 times. Yeah, we already got that. So negative 11. And 19 times 11 is 209, which means 16 is 9. That means there's 7 left over. So an exact fraction means x has to equal negative 11 and 7/19. So the point is, though, we can solve for x if we know y. We can solve for y if we know x. We can do lots of things once we actually get our linear equation. So getting to an equation is nice. We like to have that because then we're able to find any value we want to.